My name's Damian, I'm 34 years old. Look, I live and breathe cars. When I was younger, back at uni, I started mechanical engineering, and that kind of grew into a big passion of knowing the engineering side of the automotive industry. Obviously, throughout my professional career and in my own spare time, used to love reading magazines and tech documents about suspension geometry and engine management and stuff like that. And then from that developed into trying to push a car to its limits. I've only been racing competitively for about 2-3 years, but I've been around the track for maybe 10-15 years, just doing regular track days here and there and drift days and whatnot. I can't find anything else that interests me as much as motorsport and racing. Just the idea of pushing the car to its limits and finding the threshold of traction and trying to control something that's almost out of control. I think a manual just allows you to feel more in tune with the car. You understand a bit more what's going on through the driveline. You get a better idea of peak power and torque and all of that, and you can really feel that through a manual gearbox, and also you do have a bit more control over the vehicle as well. I've got 3 cars that are currently running. I've got the VZ R8, I've also got a VE R8 and a 33 Skyline GTST. Each car, just based on the make and model, are vastly different, and each of them have their own disciplines. I've kind of built the VZ Clubsport more as a circuit racer. The car doesn't really break traction because it ends up breaking parts instead. The VZs look a great all-rounder. It hasn't got as much power as the VE, but it's a great streetable car. It can be used in both drift and circuit. The 33 is purely drift only. So this is a 2005 HSV Clubsport R8, fully optioned, sunroof, manual, 910's got the gauges and the dash, AP racing brakes all round. In terms of modifications, they're still pretty mild. It's just got an intake, exhaust and a tune. It's got just a custom suspension alignment, more suited to track, so I've just squared up the rear end, and can't forget the UniClutch Track as well. I've owned a wide range of cars throughout my life, ranging from AE 92 Corollas all the way to the VE Clubby and stuff that I've got now. The difference between clutches has been quite vast. I've gone with the UniClutch with all of my current cars and haven't had a problem since. I've had a number of different performance clutches. The thing is, they weren't too nice to drive on the street, ranging from twin plate organics to single plate cushion buttons. They are a bit nasty, they feel like an on and off switch. After installing the UniClutch Tracks to all 3 of those cars, I've even had mates jump in and ask what type of organic clutch it is, because the twin plate ceramics drive just as nice as an organic clutch.